Okay, so the customer has decided that some of these truncated domes have got to go. While they'd like to do all of them, budget is always something that has to be considered. So we've picked out some of the worst ones that they've approved, and we're getting rid of them. Most people don't really understand what these truncated domes are actually for. Some people believe they are there to slow down carts, discourage skateboarders, or just make their shopping experience come to a rattling end. When we bring up the subject of these truncated domes, people usually respond something along the lines of, "I hate those things." Well, my friends, I'm happy to enlighten you all today and hopefully create a more positive outlook around living together with the infamous truncated dome. You see, the truncated dome is comparable to a miracle. That's right, a miracle. Because the truncated dome has since its first conception done nothing less than help the blind to see. Not with their eyes, my friends, but with their guiding sticks. You see, when a blind individual feels these little bumps, it's a signal to beware. This communication of sorts lets them know they are about to enter into a traffic area. So the next time you curse these little cart rattlers on your way out of the store, have a little heart. There's no current count on the number of blind soldiers and civilians alike that have not been run over because of these truncated domes. But that number is well worth it, whatever it is. Thanks for watching. If you feel like you've learned something from watching this video, please smash that thumbs up. Don't be afraid to share this video on your social media. It really helps us out. You can like and you can subscribe to our channel. All these things help us out. And if you need any paving or concrete needs, you know who to call.